Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen. I'm gonna cook something. And what I'm finna do is fix me something for breakfast. And what it is, I'm thinking about it's like a sandwich, you know. I'm gonna have some pork slices. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you. This right here, if I can show you right here. I'm gonna have some of these hot, let's see what it is. Hot, yeah, Tennessee Pride. It's a hot country sausage. Yeah, that's right here, the country sausage, Tennessee Pride. Decided to try some of this. Now I have used other sausages like the Jimmy Dean, but I want to try some of these. Here is good. It's Tennessee Pride, so I'm gonna be trying some of that. So I'm gonna make I'm gonna make like put together a sandwich with this here. Like it's a breakfast sandwich, and I'm gonna have an egg, probably easy over. And let's see, what else? We're gonna have some eggs in there. Yeah, I got some eggs in here, so we use one of those eggs there and put in there. And basically, I'm gonna take and what else? Oh, I'm gonna use some of these buns here. You know, these right here, little hamburger buns, but we can use that to make this breakfast sandwich real good here. So let me get things together. I already have the skillet here that I'm gonna use, as you can see right here. Got these two right here, so I'm gonna get them all warmed up and just give them a sandwich here together. So let me get everything over there and get me some of this here country sausage out. Oh, guys, matter of fact, I didn't get a chance, but the other day I cooked the cake. I didn't get to share that, me preparing this cake here that I put together. What this is a pound cake with a sour cream topping on it, as you can see it right here. Yeah, I fixed that the other day, but I didn't get a chance to record it, so I may do another cake and I'll record that one, what all I put in it. Now it's a loaded cake. Oh, it is delicious. Yep. So I'm just sharing a little bit with you, but there's more to come. All right, guys. So let's get into me fixing that breakfast here that I'm finna prepare for myself, that sandwich. All right, stay tuned. Let me get into it. Okay, guys, as you can see, I was able to cut that, the package, the casing where you have the pan sausage in there. So got some of that out of there and made me a nice full-size patty right here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this patty that I put together and I'm just gonna move it on over here and just lay it right in there. And I'm gonna let it sizzle out right there, cook. And then over here, I added a little bit of this extra olive oil, like right here. What I'm gonna show you, I poured a little bit of that in there to just kind of lube the pan up a little bit there. And you can see it. I just wanted to warm that a little bit. And so now what I'm gonna do, once that is good and warm, then I'll take and I'll just put my egg in there, easy over egg. Like right here, one egg right here. I'll take that, crack it, and drop it in there. Now, the grease is getting kind of hot, so we're just gonna kind of turn that down. So that's what I'm finna do right there. Finna crack this egg and put it in there and let it do its thing for its cooking. All right, guys, give me a minute. Let me put this egg in here. Okay. Here we go. All right, guys, there it is with the egg. And I just kind of, put that in there. I decided I just want to kind of, move it around right in here and just try to get it right. like I want it right here. This egg, kind of move that around. It's gonna add a little flavor into it. Just get that around like that right in there. All right. Yeah, there we go. It's all good. It's gonna make it really put some of that flavor to it right here. There we go. So we got an egg, kind of just the way I want it. So what I may do is also put a little cheese on that. Bring in a little bit of flavor. Yeah, there we go. Got an egg right there. Okay. So then over here, you can see, I'm just gonna take and flip that over. There we go. This is a good old, good, thick, and juicy pan sausage right here. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna let that sizzle there for a few minutes. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, I put the egg on the plate and I have the sausage right here on the plate. Cooked it all the way through, well done. And I have the little buns, I have them toasted. And what I'm gonna do is add a little, I'm gonna add some of this mayonnaise on it right here. Get some of this here mayonnaise, and let me see if I can get the top off of it right here. Yeah, get that. I'm gonna take a little bit of this here mayonnaise. I just want to put a little bit of that right there. A little bit here. Kind of just, that's gonna add a little bit more flavor to it. Just put a little bit on each bun. When I toasted the buns, just kind of added a little butter onto that right there. And I'll just kind of flavor that up. Just put a little bit more of that on that. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can I'm gonna take and I'm gonna add a little of this cheese on here, right here. Some of this sharp cheddar cheese. That's gonna bring in a little bit more flavor onto it. So let me go on and just see if I can get that open and put a little of that and put it together there. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay guys, this is the way everything is looking, top and bottom. I added a little cheese right here and I put some on the bottom of it, and we're just gonna take and just turn it over here on that. So now we got this nice egg and cheese sandwich, kind of toasted it right there. So now we have it all together here. Oh yeah, we got a good sandwich here. This egg on there. All right, guys. So what I want to do now is just see if I can take and taste some of this here, guys. Oh yeah. Yep. Here we go. I'm kind of hungry too. You can see there, the egg and all that in there. Oh man, this is good. I tell you, now you can't beat that. You know, you go to some of these restaurants, you're gonna get a good sandwich like that for a breakfast sandwich. But you can get in that kitchen and fix you the top delicious sandwich. I tell you, just go to the grocery store, pick up a few items you like, and come back and prepare for yourself, and you'll have a wonderful meal like I'm having here. This is good. I'm tasting the pepper in this country sausage here. This is good. I'm gonna go on and finish my sandwich up. I think I'm gonna top it off. I'm gonna have me a glass of milk and some orange juice to go with this. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this a little bit with y'all. I hope you enjoyed this here portion of the video. I got some more I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have the time. So stay tuned and have a good day like I'm having with this here breakfast here. gotta go though, guys. Gotta go now. So y'all take care. Bye.